Assalamu alaikum. If you're looking for easy, quick and beginner friendly chicken recipe, try this garlic butter chicken. Simple, easy and just comes together in under 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see what we need for this recipe. Here I have cubed 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to season this with salt to taste, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Let this marinate while we heat up the skillet or a wok. In a wok, I'm going to heat up about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to heat this up over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken, the seasoned chicken. This for about 5 minutes or until it's browned. The chicken has changed its color and now we're going to brown it a bit. It's coming there. It's 2 tablespoons of butter and about 4 to 5 garlic cloves minced, chopped, whatever is easy for you. I'm going to mix this, stirring it constantly. I'm going to cook this till the oil is fragrant. That's it. Finish it off with some chopped parsley or cilantro. Give a good mix. That's it. Just cover it and simmer for a few minutes for the cilantro flavors to melt in. Switch off the flame and cover. And that's it. Juicy, tender garlic chicken bites ready to serve. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and follow me for more easy recipes that you can make in a jiffy.